singing. Yeah, and then and then
Oh,
I looked
oh,
on
that
the,
must be off my shoe. I'm like, oh, a poopy. Oh, my shoes are awful.
just don't rub them on there.
They smell it now. They're like, ooh, mud. Mud. Mud.
So anyway, so I couldn't find the puppy. I just see two. And I told Mom I have to call her back because I said I can't see a puppy. And I come down here and the one was out here.
Aw. How did you get out there?
She knocks this wood down.
Oh.
That's why I can't wait to get the other kennel going because there's a bar across and I can let her in and out. This one you can't just let her in and out. So then the morning before, I come down here and all four of them were out.
Oh, jeez.
Running around in the room. So I put this new board up. Then she had this knocked down. She just tries to get over it, and then.
So
What are you doing?
How they're so full of energy when they get up and then they're just tired again.
Yep. What are you doing? They're in a lot better mood than they were before. Yeah, that's right. Oh, what's that?
You guys are just fascinated by what's going on over there.
Oh, you sound so rough, Roger. He's so lovely, though. It's so weird. Oh, look at Angel. That's the most Angel
That's
bites
what I
in
used
there.
to do to the puppies.
Now Rachel can see what they're like when they're not in a bad mood. What are you doing, Angel? I've never seen you do stuff like that.
This?
Yeah, she's
I
really.
think it's the mud.
She's usually quiet. Gary. Roger. You're trying to get your attention.
You chewing on my shirt? Chewing on my shirt?
Their heads are so round compared to his.
I know. What you doing? What you doing?
It's like he's growing fastest, but they're getting the color faster.
Yeah.
Because
What
I
you
said, well,
doing?
they're black. They're not going to be. I said, yeah. I said, if you look at videos, all the puppies are black when they're born. And then they turn brown.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Angel's like, what's she doing? Well, what's she doing, Gary, over there? Roger, what are you doing? God, their heads are getting brown.
I
Holy
know.
crap. Look on the video and it's like, wow.
Oh, I just grabbed his wrong parts. Okay, over here. Oh, hey.
Oh my God, Gary.
What are you doing? Trying to chew my shirt? Are you chewing on my shirt? Yeah, they're all trying to chew on my shirt.
They're all loving you.
Oh. Look who's coming. Look who's coming. Look who's coming.
Hi, babies.
Oh. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. What you doing? What you doing?
What you doing, Roger? What you doing, Roger? No. See, they know what that is. Come here. Come here. I just hit my swollen leg. Yeah. Mama's here. Mama's
You
here.
cannot crawl all the way up.
Mama's here. Yeah. Mama's
You cannot
back.
crawl all the way
Mama's
up.
back. Yeah.
You cannot.
Bless you. Bless you. Me kisses. Give me kisses, little boy. Mama back? Is Mama back? Yeah.
God, they're spunky. Spunky.
Roger. Angel. 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 I think she's got the wrinkly face, but I think he does. Hi, dear.
They're just gonna keep getting cuter all the time.
They are.
Mhm.
It sucks.
How's that mud? It's like yummy. Yummy.
What are you thinking? Yeah, your bloodhound knows, so that's really
Yeah.
important.
Axel was sure sniffing me when I went home the other day.
Oh, I bet. And that's probably a piece of Todd's work that he's been doing. This was on a shelf, that board. But the only one I could find was big enough. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Angel. Hi, Angel. Hi. What's this? Ah. Ah. What is that? What is that? What is that? Woof. Woof. What is that? Is that your toy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh no! No crying! No crying!
Oh, that's Angel. Well, she don't usually do that.
No crying! Do you miss your mama?
She's not a crybaby.
Missed your mama.
This one's a crybaby. She's not a crybaby. So she must want you.
Do you miss your mama?
Oh,
What's your mama?
you poor baby. You're still suffering. You're suffering so bad. You're suffering. Are you suffering? You guys are suffering. When I showed the one who rescued these dogs, she saw the video of you holding them when they were
Oh, yeah?
barking. She said, "Yeah, they're not spoiled or anything." And then the one who made me a friend that came with her that was helping too, Robin, she
Look what
says,
it found.
"I love the videos. I love the pictures." I said, "Yeah, I'm trying to get a handle on it, but I can't help it. Every day they get cuter."
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 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 I know. You're good.
Hi. Hey, Trouble. Hi, Trouble.
Hi, Gare. Hi, Gare. You having fun? You're not crying or anything, are ya? You're not crying or anything. It's okay. I haven't held you yet and cuddled with you yet. I love you. I love you, Roger. I love you, Roger. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I love you.
Are you trying to get up here?